Welcome to the GITEX Global app, your portal to an unparalleled technology event experience. Craft your event journey to your liking. Everything you desire is just a tap away. Forge connections and meet fellow tech enthusiasts, all through personalized recommendations. Foster connections and arrange meetings, send messages, all within a singular app. Effortlessly uncover exhibitors and cutting-edge products, pinpointing precisely where to go and who to engage with. Seamlessly curate your schedule, unearth captivating sessions, and explore the speakers gracing our stages. And as the event unfolds, glide through it with grace using our interactive floor plan, complete with intuitive wayfinding, ensuring you never miss a beat. Craving a treasure trove of contacts? Scan badges in an instant. Chronicle every moment with notes that ensure no detail slips through the cracks. And when the curtains close on the event, download all the precious details, ensuring no gem slips away. Embrace the future of tech events and AMP, indelible journey into the world of technology.